Namaskaram. Welcome to Atrangi Treats. So today we are gonna make spring rolls. Here's a look at the ingredients. First of all, we will saute onions in oil. We will saute them till little pinkish only. Then we have added the ginger garlic paste and cook it till the raw smell goes away. Now we will add the veggies. First I am using capsicum, then add carrot, beans, cauliflower, cabbage. You can use the vegetables which you like. You can also add noodles with it. Now I am adding the mixture of soy sauce, red chili sauce, salt, pepper and Maggi masala in it. Now we're gonna mix them very well and let it cook till the veggies have a little crunch. Now I have added crumbled paneer to it. Now cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes till the vegetables are half done. Your filling is ready. Now let's proceed to making the spring roll sheets. First of all, we have in a bowl added maida, corn flour and water and formed a liquidy batter such that it has a running consistency, but on the same time it should cover the back of the spoon. You can see and match the proportions of water, corn flour and maida in the ingredients. Now we're gonna spread it on a non-stick tawa like we spread dosa batter, but very thin batter. And no oil and nothing. After we will see a little bubbles on the upper side, we will scrape it very gently as it breaks down very easily. Remove it on a dish and sprinkle corn flour on it so that it doesn't stick to the plate. Now for the slurry, you can check the ingredients. Now fold the spring roll as shown. Filling on the one side, corn flour on all the edges, and step by step we will roll them. You can also use your creativity in this by folding it in different shapes. Cooking is all up to imagination. Do whatever you like. Now we will deep fry them in medium hot oil till golden brown. Serve them with chutney or ketchup and enjoy them. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and follow us on Instagram.